hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're into dance, then I guess this is the right place for you. Well, this is my first time creating a virtual tutorial. If you like it, then don't forget to comment below and tell me how you like it. And yeah, please, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, like and share this video. So before starting with the tutorial, let me give you a quick brief on how the tutorial will flow. Before the sequence of each dance step, I'll be playing the clipping from my original dance video corresponding to the steps I'm gonna teach in this tutorial. So steps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 steps which we are going to do. Right, so I'll tell you what the first step is. This. What? This is my right, this is my left. Okay? This. Turning left side. What you have to do? Flick your hands, cross your hands like this and flick downwards. This. And just bend a little. 1. Then turn. 2. What you have to do? Keep your hands on your head. 2. So 1, 2, then 3, 4. What do you have to do? You have to tap your legs. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn and 5. These are the 5 steps. See, you don't have to clap. You just have to parallelly move your hands like this. Again, you have to tap. Did you get it? It's easy, right? Okay, now this was the last step, right? After this, the same beat repeats again for 4 seconds. What we have to do in that is, this was the last step, right? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are again 5 steps which we have to do. So, 1, you have to move your shoulders and your body weight should be on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, tap your feet. This, this, and this. Just cross and come forward. Just look forward. Like this. Okay? Did you get it? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 steps. I'll start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our last step is this, right? Because last we did this. This is the last step. Okay. So now what we have to do is, before Romeo, there comes 5-second beat. Okay. What we have to do in that beat is, so there comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This you have to do. Have a look. Did you get it? We'll start again. So 1, 2. Downward claps 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just tumka. Okay, rightward tumka. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Did you get it? Okay, so let's get forward. उसके बाद it comes Romeo, Romeo, gonna get Romeo. What do you have to So this was the last step. This. Now Romeo, Romeo. Okay, what do you have to do? 2 times like this. Like this. Okay? 1, 2, and then rotate your hands. Okay? Romeo, Romeo, and a tumka. Okay? So Romeo, Romeo, and turn. Turn is this turn is really fast. So you have to turn really super quick. So turn like Romeo, Romeo. Now gully ke Romeo. Okay? What you have to do? Make a gully like this. Okay? So and your leg should be like this. Spread rightwards. Gully ke Romeo. Okay? Now there comes Bholi shakal wale sar ke sare piyo. What you have to do is Bholi. What you have to do? I'll show you the hand moves. This, this. Okay? This, भोली शक्ल वाले. Now सारे के सारे. Okay, what you have to do? Opposite करना है, ठीक है? With right hand, show, point out the left side. So, भोली शक्ल वाले सारे के सारे पहरे दियो, and just rotate करना है. That's it. Okay, so our last step was this. सारे के सारे पहरे दियो. Now there comes a line. I don't know what it says. टोकरी वाली रे. So what we have to do is टोकरी. What you have to do? Right leg. This is my right leg. Okay. Just turn your right leg and touch your right hand to your right leg. Tokri. You have to like this. Tokri वाली. With your left hand आपको ये touch करके इस साइड फेंकना है. Okay. टोकरी वाली and turn हो जाना है this side. रे ये ठीक है. क्या है मूवमेंट? सबसे पहले राइट हैंड से करिए. This. Okay. टोकरी वाली रे. ठीक है. राइट हैंड लेना है, लेफ्ट लेग लेना है. This ऑपोजिट होगा राइट लेग एंड हैंड. This. ठीक है. So after टोकरी वाला, what again comes 4 seconds of music. What you have to do in that music, I'm going to tell you. So what we did last is टोकरी वाली रे and turn, and then what you have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just jump on your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hand movements will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then right leg, then left leg, and then straight. Okay, you get it? घूमने के बाद what we'll do is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You get it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is our last step. Okay. So our last step was this. So after this, what you have to do? You have to first move your right hand and then left, like this. This 1, 2. Okay. Do you get it? Like 1, 2. So this Romeo. What do you have to do? 1, 2. Okay. कैसे करेंगे? ये किया. Romeo. Did you get it? ऐसे किया. This. ठीक है? Do you get it? तो ये Romeo. ठीक है? इसका क्या था? भड़के प्रेमियों. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? हमने ऐसे कर दिया. Romeo. Now अपना right leg you have to put aside and left अपना right hand आपको लाना है left side like this. ठीक है? भड़के पर पीछे लेगा. भड़के प्रेमियों. this. ठीक है? भड़के प्रेमियों. How you have to do kahe? Like this. Hold your hands like this. ऐसे. ठीक. भड़के प्रेमियों. काहे में we'll move forward. काहे गले पड़े हो. So भड़के प्रेमियों. काहे गले पड़े हो बिन बुलाए बारातियों. That's it. Okay. So now we'll do ले तो गई कलेजा संग में हंगा भी ले जा. You have to make a circle like this. ले नीचे से ऊपर. ले. So ले तो गई कलेजा. What do you have to do? ले तो गई पे ये खत्म हो जाएगा. ले तो गई कलेजा में you have to again move like this. ऐसे करिए like this. Right hand on the top and turn to like this. Okay, so ले तो गई कलेजा, then turn संग में हमें भी ले जा. हमें भी ले जा. Do it with some other. हमें भी ले जा. So ले तो गए कलेजा संग में हमें भी ले जा. ये तो चोरी पे. What? ये तो चोरी पे है सीना जोरी. What you have to do? अपना लेफ्ट लेग आगे आएगा एंड राइट हैंड ऊपर एंड ठुमका ठुमका. और हाथ का मूवमेंट क्या होगा? नीचे नीचे. This. That's it. Did you get it? So after Sina Zori there comes a beat like this. Have a look. This is Hasina Zori. Now उस बीट में there comes a little 1 second beat. What we have to do? This. अपने हाथों को you have to spread it out और right leg ऐसे. कभी लगे कभी you have to cross like this. ये हाथों को बस ऐसे क्रॉस करना है. ओके. सो कभी लगे मोनालिसा. What you have to do? ये लास्ट था 1 2. ये पैर आगे आ जाएगा और ये हाथ ऐसे से ऐसे जाएंगे. ओके. सो लाइक कभी लगे मोनालिसा. ओके. नाउ कभी कभी लगे मोनालिसा. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? 1. पहले राइट हैंड ऊपर आएगा और लेफ्ट लेग पीछे जाएगा. 1 2 then 1 2 3. That's it. Okay, so I kept Kadambari really simple. What you have to do is और कभी जैसे कादम्बरी. What you have to do? Just move forward. ऐसे राउंड करना. You know now how to do this round. सिर्फ यहाँ पर you have to touch and then rotate this. और ये right hand ऊपर जाके slowly do a ठुमका downwards. 1 2 with other of course. And now there comes a main line of the song. मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी. Okay, how we have to do is like 1 2 3 4. 2 बार ये करेंगे. 1 2. पहले ऐसे होगा then ऐसे होगा. Right? This. So 1 2 3 4. पैरों को भी साथ में रोटेट करिए. How? 1 2. It's a heel to toe movement. 1 2. Okay, you get it? So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 बार करेंगे. परम 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 सुंदरी. हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी. करेंगे ये 4 times and second time what you have to do 3 times. क्योंकि उसके बाद लाइन आ जाती है सर से पैर. तो हमें we don't get time for 4th turn. जल्दी से हमें टर्न होकर इस साइड लुक करना होता है. सो आफ्टर परम सुंदरी there comes सर से. what you have to do? right hand को you have to take all the way head. सर से पैर तलक देता हाश. what you have to do? like this. okay. So सर से पैर नीचे से स्टार्ट करेंगे and you have to do 4 times. सर से पैर तलक देता हाश हुस्न से भरी. You can do anything. I've done something. Just have a look. तलक देता हाश हुस्न से भरी. And after सर से पैर तलक देता हाश हुस्न से भरी again comes हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी. That's it. Third way you have to do like this. That's it. It's over.